UBC's Associate Professor Dr. Rebecca Tyson uses mathematics to answer biological questions in her research on honeybee movement. I asked her what process did she use to answer the question, how far does a honeybee move pollen?
We were interested in understanding how far transgenic pollen would go. And I was working with a researcher who had already done some experiments measuring how far the transgenic pollen went, and didn't know how to analyze the results. He just did a simple Excel analysis, and basically it said that the pollen would go as far as you want it to go. And so this is when he found me. So I built a model that described this movement of bees. They will do diffusive movement from flower to flower, and then eventually they'll say, oh, enough here, let's fly off somewhere else. And that's another kind of movement. I put that in the model, and I was able to put the different kinds of pollen in the model, the transgenic pollen and the conventional pollen, and use the data to validate the parameters in my model, and then say how far will the pollen go under different scenarios. So not just the arrangement they had in this particular study, but, well, what if I've got orchard that's a different size? What if I have an orchard that's a different shape? What if it's got a neighboring orchard that's a different size or shape? How will that affect how far the transgenic pollen goes?